The Indian Air Force has lost another Tejas light combat aircraft in an accident, with the fleet now undergoing extensive checks as investigations into the incident are underway. The accident occurred earlier this month at Ukhi Air Base, when the fighter was landing after a training sortie. The aircraft has been severely damaged and is beyond repair, though the pilot escaped without any serious injury. The Indian Army conducted an intense firepower and mobility exercise in the Western Theatre, integrating armor, artillery, mechanized forces and drones. The Indian Army's Kharga Sappers successfully validated the precision targeting capability of indigenous armed drones during a drone firing exercise conducted under realistic battlefield conditions. Adani Defence and Embraer have signed an enhanced memorandum of understanding to establish a final assembly line for the E-175 regional jet in India under the Regional Transport Aircraft Programme. India's MKU Limited is exploring a manufacturing unit in Morocco for night vision systems and soldier gear, aiming to expand its defence footprint in North Africa and boost regional supply chain resilience. India's SSS Defence has announced it will participate in the UK's Project Grayburn, a major program to replace the SA-80 rifle. The concept stage opens a global competition, and SSS Defence is confident in its design quality and reliability, as the UK defines its next-generation infantry weapon. Noida-based IG Defence has supplied its FPV Striker drone to Indian Army, which is now operational in 12 theatres. It offers a 15+ kilometers range, 45 minutes endurance, and a 5 kilograms payload. IG Defence plans to scale production to 100,000 units annually in partnership with Bharat Forge. The Indian Air Force has issued a fresh request for information for the Medium Transport Aircraft Programme, raising the payload ceiling to 30 tons. The revision indicates that the Air Force is balancing payload runway and high-altitude performance, life cycle costs and fleet commonality, as it continues refining requirements ahead of the request for proposal stage. The Indian Air Force and Ministry of Defence have agreed to grant Hindustan Aeronautics Limited contractual exemptions to help begin deliveries in the next fiscal year. The Indian Air Force has made it clear that core combat capabilities remain non-negotiable. Acceptance will only follow completion of missile firing tests, full radar electronic warfare integration, and validation of the weapons package. The Air Force might accept aircraft even if some non-critical work remains pending, as long as immediate combat readiness is assured. Israel has offered its Golden Horizon air-launched ballistic missile to India. While initial reports indicated a range of 800 kilometers, new assessments suggest the weapon could achieve between 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers under optimal launch conditions. The Golden Horizon features a high-speed quasi-ballistic profile and hypersonic terminal speeds that would give Indian Su-30 fighter jets the capability to engage heavily protected enemy targets from well outside the engagement envelopes of long-range air-to-air missiles and surface-to-air missile systems. The proposed Indo-French agreement for 114 additional Rafale fighter jets is progressing through standard procurement stages and is now expected to reach final closure around March 2027. After the Defence Acquisition Council's acceptance of necessity, the deal must still pass Technical Evaluation Committee scrutiny, Contract Negotiation Committee talks, Cabinet Committee on Security approval, followed by final signing. During the Technical Oversight Committee phase, Dassault Aviation will need to present a detailed roadmap covering equipment localization, partner firms and technology depth. A major hurdle still lies in the transfer of technology, as Dassault Aviation has proposed about 40% localization, but India is pushing for 50% to ensure that Rafale manufacturing is deeply rooted in the domestic defense ecosystem. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.